Okay, let company produces X number of units. Now, some production costs are given and some of the costs are directly varying with the number of units and some are fixed. So, the first of all, the material cost is given to us. And it is directly varying with the number of units, which is equal to 50 into number of units. So, this will be equal to 50x. Then, labor cost. It is again directly varying with number of units and it is equal to 20x. Then we have consumables. The cost of consumables is fixed and it is given as 1400 on the basis of 2006. Then rent of building. It is again fixed and it is equal to 1200 rupees. Then we have rates and taxes, which is equal to 400 rupees. Then we have repair and maintenance cost, which is equal to 800 rupees. Then we have operating cost of machines, which is directly proportional to number of units and this is equal to 30x. Then we have selling and marketing expenses, which is equal to 5800 rupees. So now to produce X number of units, the total production cost for X units will be equal to 50x plus 20x plus 30x. So this is equal to 100x plus 1400 plus 1226 plus 430 plus 838 plus 58 9600. So the total production cost for X units will be 100x plus 9600. Now the first question asked is the approximate cost of production for 1400 units. So cost of production per unit for 1400 units. So this will be equal to 100 into 1400 plus 9600 divided by the number of units, which are 1400. So this will be equal to 100 plus 9600 divided by 1400. So this will be nearly equal to 14 sevens are 98, which means nearly 7. So the cost of production per unit will be nearly 107 rupees. Okay, now question asked is, what is the minimum number of units company needs to produce to avoid any losses? Now look, we know selling price in 2006 is 125 rupees per unit. So if company sells X units, so the total selling price will be 125x. Now we know the production cost is 100x plus 9600. This both will be equal if I don't want to incur any loss. So this will be equal to 25x is equal to 9600. So the x will be 9600 upon 25. So this will be equal to 384, which means company needs to produce 384 units of materials to avoid any losses. Okay, now question says, if company sells more than 1400 units, then price is reduced by 5 rupees and company can sell max to max 1700 units and we have to maximize the profit. Now look, for 1700 units, the selling price will be 120 rupees. So the total selling price will be 1700 into 120. This will be equal to 4. And cost price for 1700 units will be 100 into 1700 plus 9600. This will be equal to 179600 rupees. Now the profit will be 204,000 minus 179600. So this will be equal to 00442, 24,400 rupees. Now this is for 1700 units when selling price is 120 rupees. Now we can check for 1400 units when selling price is 125 rupees. So for 1400 units, the selling price will be 125 rupees. Now the total selling price will be 1400 into 125. This will be equal to rupees. Now the cost price for 1400 units will be 100 into 1400 plus 9600. This will be equal to 149600. So the profit will be 175,000 minus 129600. This will be equal to 25,400 rupees. So look, the profit in case of 1400 units is maximum. So the maximum profit will be 25,400 rupees. Okay, now question says, if company reduces price by 5%, company can produce and sell as many units as possible. So look, we know the maximum company can sell 2000 units. And if price is decreased by 5%, company has to sell maximum number of units to maximize the profit. So to maximize the profit, company has to sell 2000 units.